Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with Blackboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Blackboard account. Navigate to your course dashboard. Select the course you wish to optimize. Once inside your course, familiarize yourself with the navigation menu on the left side. Start by organizing your course content into folders. Create content areas for lectures, assignments, and resources. Label each folder clearly for easy navigation. Upload important course materials by clicking on the content area. Choose the Build Content option to add files, links, or multimedia. Ensure that all uploaded materials are accessible and properly formatted. Next, create a clear course structure by arranging content in a logical order. Utilize the syllabus area to provide an overview and expectations for the course. Incorporate a course calendar to help students track important dates. Make use of the announcements feature to keep students informed. Encourage engagement through discussion boards and group activities. Utilize the assignments tool to set deadlines and collect submissions. Provide clear rubrics for grading to ensure transparency. Consider adding quizzes or surveys for assessment and feedback. Ensure that all interactive elements are functioning properly. Test the course as a student to identify any navigation issues. Gather feedback from students after the first few weeks. Use this feedback to make adjustments and improvements. Regularly update course content to keep it relevant and engaging. Monitor student progress through the Grade Center. Utilize analytics tools to understand engagement levels. Make adjustments based on data to improve the learning experience. Finally, ensure that your course meets accessibility standards. Follow these steps to create an optimized online learning environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.